Rainbows are a symbol of joy, hope, and sunlight after a storm.
We're going to draw rainbows, hearts, smiley faces, or anything that makes you happy. And then we're going to cut them out and put them on a window. Or if you don't have a window, you can put it on a door.
As different families go for walks, they can look for rainbows, count rainbows, and take comfort in the fact that they're not alone in this.
I know. No.
Now we're going to draw our rainbows. So after we did our drawings, we cut them out. We cut out rainbows and we cut out hearts.
What did you cut out?
Now let's go find a window to put them up.
It's time to put up our rainbows. Can you guys guess what room we're in?
It's the Explorer Room.
If you go out for short walks, try to look for rainbows in your neighborhood.